Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As mentioned in the title and the thumbnail, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing and installation of crash guard from RJ1 on Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 2022 model. I ordered this product from Amazon for a price of 2600 rupees. The first impressions of the product was that the quality was okay, but I would give 9 out of 10 for the strength. It also includes a frame slider, though it wasn't necessary.
Hours later.
Since I didn't have the necessary tools, I went to nearby garage for the installation. Please keep in mind that the length of the center rod provided is not enough and you have to use two large sized bolts to hold it in place. Also, on the right side, the guard touches the silencer pipe. Other than these 2 points, other things seems okay. After installing the crash guard, my bike fell to the left side while standing. And I am happy to say that this guard does its work very well. There wasn't any scratches on the tank or any other part of the bike, just small scratches on the guard and no visible dents too. Overall, I would recommend this product to all. That's all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, sayonara.